Okay guys, very quick upgrade to the side-by-side today. Just going to put this recovery hitch. I'll take the trailer hitch out, or receiver, and I'll replace it with this. Yeah, let's just get around to the back here and get this going. Okay guys, so as you probably know, the 950 comes with a 2-inch hitch receiver. It's another thing that makes it a bit different from most other trail sport type side-by-sides. Most of them don't have a hitch because they're not really meant to be worked or towing or anything, but anyways, this one does. So I don't have a ball in here yet, but you know, I mean, I've done this, and I'm sure most of you watching has done this as well. If you ever get stuck and somebody's towing you out, or you're towing somebody else out, if you have a ball, a lot of people, myself included, will just loop the rope around the ball and tow somebody out that way, or get towed out that way. And that is actually very dangerous. If the ball, the stud for the ball broke off, or this hitch broke, or whatever, something let loose, then you have this huge metal ball, you know, that's now flying around, probably, you know, possibly hit you in the head, serious injury, even kill you. So it's not recommended to tow anybody out from being stuck by hooking around the ball for your trailer. It's actually very, very dangerous to do that. And I'm sure you've seen warnings around about not doing that, but we all do it anyways. So anyways, I bought that recovery hitch. So I'll just carry this around in the back. I just still need to buy a ball for it anyways, but I'll just carry that around in the box here. Now the one I have on my quad, and I'll show you that here in a minute, but the one I have on my quad, it's a I suppose you could say a homemade one. All it is a piece of tube or a piece of bar, and I had the ball on it, but then there's a loop welded to it. My father, he was the machinist, and he actually made it when I bought the quad. But it has a loop here welded to it, and that's what that loop is there for, to hook onto, so you don't have to hook around the ball. So I'll show you that in a second. My quad is up near the cabin there. So I'll show you that there in a bit, but yeah, let's just pop this out and get this other one popped in. So you can see here, this has a hole on each side, and that's for orientation. So you can put it in this way, but then of course it's just something to get hooked in. You hook a stick or something in that. Probably wouldn't do much damage with a stick of that size, but anyways, it's just something to get caught up on. So I'm going to put it in this direction and just let it see how noisy it is. But let me see if I get this hole lined up here. You can also see there the difference in the diameter of the bars. The black one is the one for the trailer hitch, for the ball hitch. Silver one is for this, so you can see it's quite a bit larger. And it just goes through. Now I cannot find the pin for this. I don't know if I lost it or what, or if it didn't come with one. So I'll just reuse the pin from that came with this one. And that's it, as simple as that. So, you know, 1 minute install, if that. But yeah, I think I feel a lot better getting towed out by that. I'm not sure, again, how noisy this is going to be. The trailer hitch itself, and the ball hitch there, that rattle around quite a bit itself. So I don't think this will make any noise that's too obtrusive, I guess. So anyways guys, another quick update there. I'll just cut in here now, show you the hitch that I have on the quad. If anybody's interested in making their own, just show you what I did there. Okay guys, so this is the ball that my father made for the quad here. See, it's quite a bit smaller than what's on the side by side, but you can see piece of square bar, and then it has this tube or rod, solid rod welded around. So you get the ball there, rusty as an anchor, and then you have this if you need to get towed, so you don't have to use the ball. So I couldn't find anything like that to buy, so I bought the receiver that I have there, or the recovery hitch that I have there. But yeah, so this is quite good. I've used this many times. So yeah, just wanted to quickly show you that. So as always, thanks for watching guys. Hope somebody finds this helpful, and hope you stay tuned.